Hello, thank you for joining us today at TotalMD to look at setting up resources for your scheduler. Under Setup, under Practice Information, you'll see Setup Resources. This allows you to set up rooms that can be booked on the scheduler independent of providers. So by adding a new resource, we're going to add an acupuncture room. And we're going to show it on the calendar, and we're going to give it a name. And we're going to save the changes. So now you'll see that we have the acupuncture room listed here, and it's on the schedule. It can be picked up in the schedule. So we're going to go to the scheduler itself, and we're going to go down to the view, and we're going to look at resources. What you're going to see is that you can see the acupuncture room listed under all of the resources. What you can do as well as that is under your different views that you create. If you create a view and you want a combination of providers and resources, you can edit your view, and now we can add the acupuncture room to the list. So there's our acupuncture room. We're going to add it, save it, and then when we look at that combination view, that acupuncture room shows up. So this enables you to book providers as well as rooms, so that if you've got the provider in 2 or 3 different rooms at one time, you can book them all simultaneously. If you have any questions regarding this functionality of TotalMD, please give us a call, 800-613-7597. Option 2 is support. Option 3 is training. We would be happy to help you.